Good afternoon, class. I'm Happy Narang, your subject teacher of Fundamentals of Soil Science. Today, I'm going to cover the topic that is soil survey. So, let's start. Soil survey. I will try to explain it in details. Soil survey is a study and mapping of the soils in the field in their natural environment. It is the systematic examination, description, and classification of soils of an area. Soil surveys are conducted for preparing a scientific inventory of different soils. Soils resource inventory provides an insight into the potentialities and limitations of mapped area for its effective exploitation. Various soil forming factors and processes play a role in evolution of soil, resulting in soils with different characteristics. Based on the soil survey information and database, uses of soil vary greatly. For example, at farm level soil survey is important to select the fields to be cultivated and for which kind of cropping system, whereas in research laboratory representative patterns are investigated in detail. In a similar way, use of soil survey and database varies at town or state level or for the development of a watershed project and so on. Thus, wise use of soil through soil survey is needed to make optimum use of soil. We must have knowledge about different soil, their morphology, characterization, behavior, kind and degree of problem and their extent and distribution on the landscape. So स्टूडेंट्स, अगर इसको हिंदी में मैं बताने की कोशिश करूं तो सोयल सर्वे को बेसिकली जैसे सोयल के एक एरिया को छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में बांटकर उसका नक्शे बनाने के प्रोसेस को सोयल सर्वे कहते हैं। जैसा कि आप लोगों ने गूगल मैप के फिजिकल मैप में देखा होगा, सोयल किस टाइप का है, उसके क्या क्या फीचर्स हैं और उसको किस पर्पस के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं। यहाँ मेरा पर्पस से मतलब है कि उसे या तो एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्शन के लिए यूज़ किया जा सकता है या इंजीनियरिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए या फॉरेस्ट या ग्रासलैंड के लिए उसको यूज़ किया जा सकता है। So now we will discuss why we should do soil survey. Soil surveys are necessary to plan drainage and irrigation practices on farmlands, to conduct agricultural research on mapped soils so that research findings may be transferred to other areas having comparable soil site characteristics, to provide information on slope, vegetation and soil characteristics up to 1 meter depth, important for planning and development of a watershed. The purpose of soil survey are both fundamental and applied. Fundamental soil surveys provide knowledge of soils with regard of their genesis and classification, and applied aspects of soil survey help in making predictions about the behavior of different soils for agriculture, engineering and recreational aspects. इसको अगर हम लोग समझना चाहें तो ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि किसी भी एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड का ड्रेनेज, उस पर किया जाने वाला रिसर्च, ये सब इसी जानकारी पर निर्भर करता है कि उस सॉइल की फिजिकल या केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ क्या हैं, उसकी टोपोग्राफी कैसी है, उस सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी यानी उर्वरक क्षमता अच्छी है या नहीं। ये सारी जानकारी हमें सॉइल सर्वे करने से ही मिलती है और तब हमें सॉइल का बिहेवियर भी पता चलता है ताकि हम एफिशिएंटली सॉइल को एग्रीकल्चरल इंजीनियरिंग या रिक्रिएशनल पर्पस के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं। Soil surveys helps in the transfer of technology under different soil conditions and management practices and bringing new areas under agricultural uses, demarcating disease infested and nutrient deficient areas and locating and designing engineering structures and tax appraisals. सोयल सर्वे हमें हेल्प करता है ये समझने में कि किस तरह हम टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज़ कर सकते हैं एग्रीकल्चर को बेटर बनाने में, और ये समझने में कि किस फील्ड में किस जगह पर माइक्रोबियल इन्फेस्टेशन या न्यूट्रिएंट डेफिशिएंसी है ताकि हम उसे पूरा कर सकें। Soil survey meets the following objectives: to recognize soils and define their important characteristics, and to classify soil into mapping units, to show the distribution of each class on maps, and finally to furnish basic data for making interpretation as to the adaptability of the soil for agriculture and other purposes. Depending upon the objective, method, type of base map available, and the intensity of observations, four principal types of soil surveys are recognized: detailed survey, reconnaissance survey, detailed reconnaissance survey, semi-detailed survey. Beside these, exploratory and rapid reconnaissance survey are also recognized for preparation of small-scale soil maps needed for micro-level planning for agro-based programs. Soil survey methods are basically the same for any kind of prospective use. To undertake soil survey of an area, the first requisite is collection of all available information and records on soils and allied aspects, and procurement of base maps. Soils are grouped according to their physical and morphological properties. Base maps are used to carry out soil surveys. It consists of panchromatic vertical aerial photographs on 1 is to 50,000 or 1 is to 25,000 scale using aerial photo interpretation technique and remote sensing technique. Now we should understand soil survey equipments: auger screw, post hole, tube and power drill, Munsell's color chart, dilute hydrochloric acid, tape, sample bags labels, implements like pickaxe, spade, knife, khurpis and tagaris, compass, average level with soil test kit. Some technologies for mapping involves the use of aerial photographs and video image analysis. VIA is used to examine aerial photographs. It distinguishes shades of gray. The color differences are related to soil and vegetation. Then ground penetrating radar GPR, high frequency impulse of energy are transmitted into the soil. When the impulse strikes between soil particles, energy is reflected back to the surface. This reflected energy is measured and displayed on a recorder. इसमें एरियल इमेजेस लिए जाते हैं थ्रू सैटेलाइट, फिर इन एरियल इमेजेस को एनालाइज किया जाता है VIA के थ्रू, जिसको हम वीडियो इमेज एनालिसिस कहते हैं। इसमें डिफरेंट कलर शेड होते हैं, जैसे ब्लू फॉर ओशियन, रिवर एंड वाटर बॉडीज, ग्रीन, रेड एंड येलो फॉर लैंड एंड वेजिटेशन। इसके अलावा ग्राउंड पेनिट्रेटिंग रडार मेथड यानी GPR भी यूज होता है, जिससे हम अंडरग्राउंड सॉइल की प्रॉपर्टीज हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी इम्पल्स ऑफ एनर्जी के थ्रू मेजर करते हैं। Now we will understand the use of soil survey in understanding soil classification. It serves in better utilization of land resources. They form basis for all soil research, and they form basis for planning, irrigation, drainage and erosion control, and it can be used to determine land suitability for agriculture and other purposes. And also it is of practical value in land capability classification. That is all for today. Thank you. stay home, stay safe.